Hello again everybody, Asang Filipina, and I'm here in my garden. So behind me, this is coconut. So I drink water every day. Coconut water, my favorite. So I hang my feet here in the paint bucket because I renew the paint in the roof of the house. So for now, this is not Shein, this is not a sponsored video, but I tried to order for the first time at Teimo. So let's unbox this one. So the packaging is very thick. It's thicker than the other brand. So let's see what's inside. So it's quite dark now, but then I have this sandal. So let's see how good they are. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I love it. This is from Teimo. So I was thinking at Shein I order a lot already. So this is also a shop that is very affordable, and it's it's kind of cheaper than Shein, especially the shoes. So okay, I'm gonna try this. Very beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay. Have my short, don't worry. Let's continue. So I have dress. So I'm going to try on this one tomorrow. For now, I'm only gonna show you what I shot today. So I just want to see the quality of their clothing comparing to the Shein. So far, all is good. Soft. So this is dress, white dress. Oops. Okay, let's continue because it's dark now. So I have another one, and then we're going to try this one. I also have one pair of flip-flops, Shein flip-flops. So it's coming, and then this one, I'm trying it. It was really good. This is Teimo brand. Teimo brand. This is from Teimo. Beautiful. I love it. So okay, I can try this one. It's beautiful, this one. So after a few weeks, so maybe next week I will see. I'm going to get a vacation for just 3 days. 3 days. 3 days. Only 3 days vacation. It's nice. Only in the Philippines. Butterfly strap. Okay, next is because more of you love red, so I try to shop more red. More of red outfit. So this one I can try. Need to wash first. it's nice. Well, the quality of the fabric is also good. Okay, I'm gonna shop more next Teimo this time. So another dress. Tomorrow I'm gonna walk with this, wearing this flip-flops, and then I'm going to walking with flip-flops tomorrow with this outfit. It's also red. So just to let you know that tomorrow I'm going to look for a new garage for my car. So I have an accident, car accident, and then waiting for the insurance, and it takes time for the insurance and like reimbursement. I don't know, it's my first time. And then but all is good, so I'm safe for it. It was just a small accident, but of course I spend my own money for it, and then I spend cash, so I have to get it back from insurance, but it takes time. My gosh. So I'm thinking to buy a new car, but then I'll be patient for that for now. Then I will just have to look for a new garage to repair the damage. So maybe they will refund that, but I will do tomorrow. So I'm quite busy tomorrow again. But then when I come back, I'm going to try on this dress with this flip-flops, and we're gonna walk. So for now, I'll show you what I have. So how do you like my dress? So dangling with this flip-flops. So beautiful. It's with butterfly design, and my dog is barking because he's hungry. Oh gosh, I love it. So I'm gonna shop more. It's only like this all is just $20. So it's already 4 items. $20, that's about 1,000 plus. If I make it 57, 14, yeah. It's $20. I'm calculating the currency to Philippines rate. I love this one. So I'm gonna shop more. I still have another shopping that's coming. So that's my happiness. Oh my god, my stress reliever. So it's black, a red dress, and white. So guys, comment down below what color of dress do you really want to see me wearing. Like if I do some shopping, so what color? Sometimes I just pick any colors or any types of dress. But now I'm thinking like most of you, they love my red outfit with dress. So I think I'm gonna shop more on red. Different style, but it's red. So this is white. But then next time is red. So okay, that's all for now, and I hope you enjoy because now it's getting dark. My gosh, I'm gonna play badminton with my daughter.